Local news for Friday the 6th of September. New property listings are down in the region by nearly 38%. A report released by realestate.co.nz shows the asking price has also dropped slightly to $483,698 across the region. There is near average rainfall for the month of August in Wairarapa, while temperatures were slightly below average. And due to the weather forecast this weekend, the Carterton Kite Festival has been postponed. Police have concerns for the welfare of 41-year-old Troy Clifford Marsh, reported missing from his Featherston home late yesterday afternoon and maybe in the Martinborough area. Police are asking anyone who has seen Troy or his vehicle, a blue 1997 Toyota Starlet, registration ANN344, to get in touch immediately. And today is Onesie Day. Collectors will be out today and potentially tomorrow collecting for Wellington Free Ambulance. In sport, a few changes for the Ferries Wairarapa Bush tomorrow for the Heartland clash against King Country. With 4 injuries and a player away to the Heartland under-19s, Kirk Tafunga will captain the Ferries Wairarapa Bush side. Tomorrow it was also Club Day, with plenty of age grade rugby on from midday, including the under-16s, 18s and Horowhenua Cup development. See you at the rugby tomorrow. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.